my god, hi people. I don't got much to say. Today's not my day. Taking Earl Jr., aka my Z125. I got a new little upgrade. You know, got that on there. We're headed over to Bonar Garage's house. He's gonna be riding around on the CRF 110F. I'll get back to you guys once we have Bonar Garage on his mini bike. Hello, fellow biker. Where would you like to go?
Let's go to Chicken Express.
Hey, that's not fair. I can't do that. Is he gonna send the hill climb?
You think that's climbable?
Yeah.
Alright, go ahead and do it then.
Oh, I can't. No.
Oh.
You see, dude, I'm on my last tread with the tires. I can't do it on these tires. If I was on the CBR, yeah.
Oh.
Man, he's trying to get me killed out here. Oh. I guess we're doing it. Ah, I killed the bike.
Hit that horn for me. Hit that horn for me.
See if he climbs the stairs.
You think that's a challenge?
I believe. Nice. Look at this Trials rider.
Ooh, that's scary. Oh, and I brought him down.
Nah, you're good. You're good. Just run it. On the Ninja 400.
What the fuck?
Dude, he just left us.
What the fuck? What a flag.
I mean,
I don't blame him.
neither do I. That man ran us. You good?
Is it off?
Yeah, I turned it off. Man, you good?
Yeah, I'm straight.
Shit.
You all good, man? Fuck! That's not my blood, that's the car. Yeah, I know, that's the coolant right there. You're pretty fucked up too, man. You know?
Man, you sure you're good?
Yeah, I'm straight.
Shit.
Yeah, I'm good. Yeah, I'm good. I'm good. Don't need to call the police. Fuck, man.
Man, how long you had the bike?
Today.
Just today?
Oh man. Yep. Don't even tell me about it, then I'm scared.
I don't even know you. How could I say anything?
Okay, I'll come back in my truck. Hey, I'm gonna keep done. Yeah. Hey Nick, you wanna stay here?
I don't have a plate.
Oh fuck, you don't got a plate.
Hey, we'll come back, man. We'll come back.
I'm good. Don't call the cops.
What the hell just happened? Dude went flying through the stop sign trying to show off or something and totaled his Ninja 400. He got it today. I guess he's a new rider or something. Shit. All right, we're gonna go ahead and get back to you guys once we're back over there or something. All right, buddy, I'm out of here. Pleasure riding with you today.
Yeah, nothing crazy happened at all.
Nah.
Kind of unfortunate. Maybe next time when we go out, something cool will happen.
Yeah, I'll see you, buddy. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video there. If you guys liked it, be sure to like and subscribe. I got plenty more videos coming soon. Pretty crazy day. Was not expecting to see that today. I don't think either of us were. And the guy is alright. We got his bike back home. I didn't really record anything after that. But we went back in the truck and we picked his bike up and threw it in the back of the truck. No ramps or anything. Just picked it up and put it in there. Drove it to his house and got it into his garage. And now I'm just on my way back. It's been a few hours. We were watching our videos and checking everything out, but we're done now. So I'm just gonna head home. But yeah, until next time guys, ride safe. I cannot stress that enough. If you ride, ride safe and have a good one.